Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 26th of October. In this video we're going to look at the charts on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, so the loonie. What we'll see is that we had a reverse head and shoulder formation which has broken to the upside, which is positive. We've got upside momentum. The next resistance is at 130 and we expect the dollar to get there. Let's look at those charts. So here we're looking at the weekly picture, and you can just about make out the head and shoulders on here, although it is clearer when we go into the daily on the next slide. But the left shoulder, right shoulder, and we've broken to the upside. You can see that we're hitting a bit of resistance here. These are from the lows that we had in August. So it'd be no surprise if we had a little consolidation here, but the next key resistance is seen at the 130 level and is bounded on this chart by the downtrending 50-week moving average, which is at 130.66. The medium-term picture, apart from that, still does remain slightly negative. We did have this bearish cross as the 20 crossed the 50, but the longer we stay up, that 20 will turn round, and the longer term picture with the 200-day giving support does bode well. So we're getting a bit of a dichotomy between short, medium, long term, but as I said, I'd expect short term consolidation, move up to resistance, slightly negative there, that might pull back, let the 20-week unwind, move round and upwards, and then we might get the break with the longer term picture of the 200. Looking at momentum, on the RSI you can see it's in a nice uptrend and it has gone back above 50, 51.81, so it's showing positive momentum. And likewise the MACD short term has just moved above the long term and it's shouting a buy, although it is still below zero, so not massive upside momentum, but there is upside momentum visible. On the daily, here's a picture on the daily. Each candle represents one day, and you can see the head and shoulder the reverse head and shoulder a bit clearer. The head down here, right shoulder break up. Again, the 130 level can be resistance, and you can see it here bounded by the downtrend in 200-day moving average. That's at 130.13. Slightly getting overextended away from the moving average. That's why I'm in my mind thinking there'd be no surprise if we did have a slight flag or a consolidation here. It was good that we bounced off the uptrend in 20-day moving average, and the 50 now is starting to turn round again. Good solid momentum with the RSI in a nice uptrend and reaching new highs, 72.93. MACD as well above zero and moving up in a bullish formation. Looking at the 4 hour, and here you can see we are actually getting a slight flag, which is good because we are overextended from the moving averages. It was very good that we had this move trampoline effect off the two moving averages as they both started to move up, which is good. Again, momentum positive, 82.18 on the RSI, and MACD positive. So let's get some clarity on the support resistance levels. Resistance 1, 130.13 from the 200-day, 130.66 from the 50-week, with support coming in from the 20-day, 125.52, and then from 125.07 from that 200-week. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the loonie, US dollar versus Canadian dollar. The conclusions from the charts is that we've had a reverse head and shoulder is confirmed. Move to the next resistance expected, which is at 130. We have got solid upside momentum. but perhaps because of the extension away from the moving averages, we may get some consolidation before we move up to that 130 level. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do hit the subscribe button, which is just here. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are not an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.